idea that I think it was going to solve a lot of the world's problem. To begin with, we have a leader. I think he's a good person. I'm talking about Uncle Trump. I think he's a good person. However, he really doesn't know Islam. He doesn't really know that we worship the same God as God of Jesus, Moses, Abraham, Noah. It's the same God. The message is the same. All the prophets came to give the same message. If he really understood this, and the people who support him understood this, we would have really a better world. He would not be inclined to receive hundreds of millions of billions of dollars in order to sell weapons to countries to bomb other Muslims and children, starve them to death. Many things would change if we have the feeling that there's only one God, and then we're worshiping the same God, that we're following the same prophets, similar messages. So at this time, I really like to ask Uncle Trump to take a notice that if he becomes Muslim, the world would be a different world. It would be a peaceful world, and we will not have all these wars. If you're ready for this, I'm going to take you through the steps to become a Muslim, dear Uncle Trump. And anybody else who is watching this, you're welcome to join. To become a Muslim, a person has to repeat basically 2 sentences. Very simple. And that is this: I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, or the one God. This is the God of Moses, Jesus, all the prophets, the creator of the universe. So I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except one God. And I bear witness that Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, and all the prophets are prophets and messengers and servants of God. By saying this, a person has accepted Islam, which was the way of all the prophets. I'm going to repeat it in Arabic. Please repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha, repeating, la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I repeat the second part. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I hope Uncle Trump repeated after me. That means he's Muslim already. We can have peace. There could be peace in the world. All the governments would have peace with each other. And anyone who has followed this are Muslim. You can go to your nearest mosque, receive free Quran, free information, learn how to pray, and then pray for me that I brought you to Islam. Have a wonderful day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.